Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Google Sitekit for your WordPress. So Sitekit is a Google's official WordPress plugins that are going to help you to give insights on how people find and use your sites, how to improve and monetize your content with data from multiple Google tools. So Google Sitekit will offers you analysis that Google's made, so it actually also connected with Google Analytics if you already have an account there. Now we're going to start by going to the WordPress website. Now here you will be needing at least the creator plan. You can't use the free plan because it will not allow you to add any plugins. They do offer you a 14 days trial with the creator plan, so you can go ahead and try it out first before you continue and use it for long term. Once you got into your WordPress dashboard, you will want to scroll down until you found this plugins options right here. So what we're going to do is you're going to want to click on add new plugins. And then you're going to want to search for the Google site plugins on the plugins options right here. So it might not be visible at the first several search results, but if you scroll down, you'll be able to find this Sitekit by Google plugins. So go ahead and click on it. So it says here that Sitekit is a one-stop solution for WordPress users to use everything Google has to offer to make them successful on the web. And here are the benefits of using the Google Sitekit. You can just pause the video if you would like to read on it. And here are the supported Google tools that comes with the Sitekit. So you will get the Search Console, the Analytic, the AdSense, the page speed insight, as well as the tag manager. So you don't have to open all of this Google tools one by one. Everything will be summarized through this Sitekit. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to click on installs and activate. And we wait until the plugin is installed. And now that it's installed into our WordPress, we're going to want to take a look at the plugin. So go ahead and click on Manage Plugin, and then we will get a notification that says that our Sitekit plugin is now activated, so we can start. So now we're going to start by clicking on the Start Setup. Next, we're going to want to sign in with our Google, but first I'm going to tick this options right here, which is going to connect Google Analytics as part of the setup. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in with Google after I tick that, and then go ahead and give permissions to each one of these Google tools. Alright, now that we got everything done, we can now take a look at the overall analytic of our sites. Alright, so this is how our dashboard will looks like. First, we got the traffic options, and then we'll be able to take a look at the content analytic, the speed, as well as the monetizations. Let's start with the traffic one. Once you finish installing your Sitekit, it might take some time for the Sitekit to gather the data and take a look at how the audience is growing and take a look at how the traffic is going on our website. So you might want to have to wait for some times in order to be able to see your data. But as you can see, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see data such as all visitors and then traffic over the last 28 days. And you can also set up a conversions event to track how well your site fulfills your business objective. And here you'll be able to see the impressions on your website. Take a look at the clicks of your content, and then take a look at the top content for the past 28 days. And here you'll be able to see on how visitor experience your site. So here we have the largest contentful pane, cumulative layout shift, total blocking time, etc. And then you'll be able to see on how the performance of those things are on the right side of your screen, and you can also click how to improve to see all of the things that you can do in order to improve your site. So everything that's happening on top of here are actually just one scroll away. So if you scroll all the way down, you will find all of these sections that are stated on top of your screen. You can also connect your SiteKit with your Google Ads account if you want, if you would like to obviously promote the sites of yours, so that once you do that, you can actually manage and see the conversion and how your ads going on through your Google SiteKit instead of having to open another tab for your Google Ads. In order to connect your SiteKit to these AdSense options right here, you're going to want to create an ads account first with Google. It's very easy. All you have to do is go to ads.google.com, sign in or sign up through there. It's basically the same because you can just create your account with the existing Google account. I do recommend you to use the same Google account that you use with your WordPress so that it will not confuse you in the future. And then once it's created, you can connect it directly to the WordPress SiteKit. You also have the options to assign roles on your SiteKit to maybe your partner or maybe your employee. Maybe this site is being shared with your partner. You can set up roles that are in charge with the analytic tools. So for example, you want the analytics to be able to be viewed only with several people, maybe just for the administrator or just the editor or just the author. You can just click on anything you want to add on this dashboard sharing and permissions options. And then after you choose who can view on a certain product, you just have to click on apply, and then it's going to be saved. Now let's take a look at the conversion tools right here. If you click on setup conversion, they're going to bring you to another web page that shows how you can set up your conversions through here. So you can actually create and modify events in the Google Analytics, and in order to create the events, they're going to give you this instructions right here. First, in admin, under data display, you're going to want to click on event and then click create event. Under custom event name, after the name, in this example, for example, thank you right here. And then in matching conditions, under value, enter page view, etc., etc. You can pause the video if you'd like to read on the instruction, but this part right here is going to be very helpful if, for example, you would like to see on how your website's event converts to whatever goal you want to put, whether it's maybe adding more leads or maybe determine the sales, etc. You can use this conversion tools in order to track that data. So obviously this kit is going to be very, very helpful if you would like to focus on growing your site, or maybe you will want to take a look on how you can explore more with your website, brings more leads, or create more sales, etc. The data that the SiteKit is going to compile for you is going to be very helpful for you in order to consider and make some decisions regarding about your website. And that's basically it. That is how you can connect, or you can add Google SiteKit into your WordPress. Just know that this one right here is made specifically for WordPress. You might need to try to find other plugins if you're not creating your website based on WordPress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.